Welcome to McPlum, simple solutions served daily.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious ginger toffee. First, let's gather our simple ingredients. You'll need 1 cup of granulated sugar, 1/2 cup of unsalted butter, and 1/4 cup of water. Don't forget 2 tablespoons of finely grated fresh ginger for that wonderful kick. A pinch of salt and a few drops of vanilla extract will enhance the flavors. Also, prepare an 8 by 8 inch baking pan by lining it with parchment paper for easy removal. Now, let's start cooking our toffee base. In a heavy-bottomed saucepan, combine the 1 cup of sugar, 1/2 cup of butter, 1/4 cup of water, and a pinch of salt. Heat this mixture over medium heat, stirring gently until all the sugar has completely dissolved. Once dissolved, stop stirring and bring the mixture to a rolling boil. Continue cooking until a candy thermometer registers exactly 300 degrees Fahrenheit, which is the hard crack stage. Once your toffee reaches 300 degrees Fahrenheit, remove the saucepan from the heat without delay. This is the crucial moment to infuse that vibrant ginger flavor. Carefully stir in the 2 tablespoons of finely grated fresh ginger. Then, add a few drops of vanilla extract to complement the ginger. Work quickly, as the toffee will begin to set. Pour the hot mixture evenly into your prepared 8 by 8 inch baking pan, spreading it out with a spatula if needed. After pouring, let your ginger toffee cool completely. You can leave it at room temperature for at least 1 hour, or if you're in a hurry, chill it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes. Once the toffee is firm and brittle, it's time to break it into delicious, bite-sized pieces. You can use your hands or a small hammer for this. Store your homemade ginger toffee in an airtight container at room temperature for up to 2 weeks. Enjoy this delightful treat.
Thanks for watching. Stay juicy and subscribe.